Okay, here are the Cooper and Pinky kids. They are 2 weeks old yesterday. This is Sunday. There's JR. Here, buddy. Come here, you. Let's have a look at you. Let's have a look at you. This is kind of hard to do, he said. Focus. Oops. It's kind of hard to do, he said, with one hand, Mother. There, he said. Somebody could be looking at him. There he is. Oh my God, he's not very comfortable. Just a second here. Where do we put you? There. There you are. Aren't you pretty, JR? JR's over 1.5 pounds now. He's a big boy.